In the heart of the jungle, a curious little monkey woke up to a beautiful morning. But today, something magical caught his eye. He followed the mysterious light deeper into the jungle. And there it was hanging, the legendary magic mango tree. A magical golden mango dropped right in front of him. It was the sweetest mango he had ever tasted. But the next day, every single mango had vanished. The magical tree was in danger.
He decided to uncover the mystery.
A colorful parrot flew down to help.
The clues led them through the thick jungle.
They crossed rivers and climbed hills.
At last, they reached a hidden cave. To their surprise, it was only a hungry baby squirrel.
It had taken the fruit to feed its little family. The monkey's heart filled with kindness.
Together, they saved the magical tree. The tree glowed brighter than ever before. The whole jungle celebrated the new friendship.
And from that day on, the magical tree became a symbol of sharing and friendship.